Sample 7. ln x squared dx. Method substitution and by parts integration. At first, for the substitution, we choose u ln x du dx on x with its relation with the integration simplified to ln u multiplied to u squared dx on x equals to du. So we simplified the integration to ln u on u squared du bpi. We choose w ln u and dv du on u squared. In this case, du on u, dw du on u v equals to our integration becomes vw minus vdw. dw ln u on u dw du on u. Our integration becomes du on u squared, which is equals to plus minus plus c. We know that u equals to ln x. The final result is ln x on ln x ln x plus c. The final result.